Look, we are having a problem during any kind of new software installation if our computer is not the Pro version. So during our installation, we have tried to install Pro, but it has automatically been installed Windows 11 Home Edition. So how to change from Home Edition to the Pro? Let's see. And here you can see I cannot enable the remote desktop because my Windows is Home Edition, which does not support remote desktop, but I need to change that one. How to do it? Just simply find out the CMD, and then you can see CMD prompt is here. Just simply click on Run as Administrator. After clicking here, when it will pop up, just simply click on Yes. After clicking Yes, find out this script which I have given you to the description, and then from here just copy this step which is called step 1. After clicking here, just simply paste it on your terminal called command prompt. So once it is done, now your computer is ready to receive the command, the second step that you will be followed from here to this option. That means the second step. Just simply copy that one and paste here and press on enter. After pressing enter, here you can see more help is available for typing net, which is called your computer is ready to go for the third step. And after finding it, just copy the step 3 and then paste it here, and until you are getting this one, press on enter. So the change is, or the configuration that you wanted to do is started. Now all you need to do is just copy the next step, which is called the product key, and then click on this one and then paste here. After pasting it, you will see automatically a new option. That means your computer upgradation will be started. So until it goes to the 100%, you will have to wait for a moment, and it is being prepared for upgradation. So all you need to do after completing this one, when it will reach to 100%, just simply restart the computer, and then you will see the change happens. Let's see. Let's wait for a moment. Yes, 100% completed. Now it will automatically be restarted. So finally we are done, and see if the change happened. After restarting your computer, just right click on this PC and go to the properties, and then you can see the Windows 11 Pro is here. Now you can install the software you want and then click on remote desktop. From here you can enable the remote desktop. In our next video we will show how to use remote desktop again. Thank you so much. This was a video which has changed your computer experience, because professional means a different vibe or different experience. A home edition cannot provide all these things that we need. Thank you again.